Hi, we are in Godrej Nature Plus, that is sector 33 Sohna, Gurgaon. This is the south of Gurgaon, and this is the main NH 248A. You see the main 248A, it will connect to this KMP. This side it will be in KMP, and right hand side it will connect to NH8, that is the Jaipur, Delhi Jaipur road, that is the NH48. Now this is the NH48, NH8, and this is the main highway that is connecting to KMP road, and this is the Godrej Nature Plus, that is bang on expressway. You see, this is the good branded builder in the middle of the expressway. This is how we enter into the project. You see all this project amenities and all. This is how we enter into the project, and this is all these greeneries you can see in my right hand side of the screen. That is Godrej Serenity as well. We have arrived to Godrej Serenity, and this is how the construction has been taken place in the last couple of years. It has been launched in somewhere around 2018-19, and now the building is under construction and it will be delivered by next year. So very nice Godrej builders with the Godrej Serenity. You can see Godrej Nature Plus and the Serenity. The towers are coming up soon. And you can have a feel of the society. This is the society with all those amenities will coming up. See, this is the smart home technologies and safety. All those 5 features, safety parameters are over here, and you see all those structures are ready of the Godrej Nature Plus first phase. Let's move into the platform which is built over here, so we can exactly look of all those structures which are ready. You see, these are the structures, and let's move into the platform. This is the platform, and this is the Godrej Nature Plus, that is the first phase, and now it is coming up with the Godrej Serenity. Godrej Nature Plus has got 7 towers, and Godrej Serenity 5 towers in the second phase, third phase also. So this the landscaping has been done, the excavation done, and you see these buildings are ready. These towers. Someone is G plus 18, G plus 24 towers and all. These are the branded property of Godrej with the 18.7 acres of the property. Total is 18.7 acres, and in the middle you are getting around 5.2 acres of greeneries with a clubhouse of around 22,000 square feet. The construction work going at the full phase. This is how you enter into the society. Okay. All those Godrej Nature Plus Serenity, hashtag Serenity, and it is a buzz in the market right now, and some new towers will be getting launched very shortly, and you will be updated in this video only. You have got so feature wise you have got gymnasium, themed garden, yoga deck, mini theatre, tennis court, and all those features you name, and everything will be there in this society. This is water tanker coming on. you see the person at work here. And this is the tower at the premium location facing the highway. And this is the Godrej Serenity. Bang on main expressway, NH 248A. And we enter into from this spot only. This is the guard, and this is the Godrej Nature Plus. This is the entry. Godrej Nature Plus. Look out. Thanks for watching.